small thing that makes you happy. Oh, that's a very good question. Small things that makes you happy. Okay? Small things that makes me happy. Simple. I don't know how to explain. It's hard to explain, but being simple, I am happy with everything. Simple thing. If you smile at me, I'll be happy. Something like that. If you are good to me, I'll be happy. In short, is I don't expect too much from anyone because expecting too much it will hurt you. So simple thing, it's enough. It's fine for me. I'll be happy for that. And most of all, health, of course, and peace of mind. Simple thing, happy. Yeah, it's part of happiness.